guys, today I'm gonna be doing my makeup, and I don't have a set makeup routine anymore, and I'm just doing whatever. And honestly, I need to get back to having a routine because now I'm lost with my makeup. So maybe I need to update it, upgrade it. I be looking a little Caucasian at times because of the shades that I use that are not particularly my shade. So yeah, we're gonna go in with the e.l.f. primer. But I've been doing makeup for probably like 6 or 7 years. I've been very into it since like 6th grade. No, even before that. No, 6th grade. I used to get like my mom's foundation, and also I'm using the kimchi setting powder, not my shade as well. I put it in like a little container thing so I can have some, and then I used to put a little bit on it every day for school because I was in 6th grade. I wasn't allowed to wear makeup. So yeah, I really feel like makeup was really like an escape for me. I didn't really do it all the time. I was mainly like at my natural face, and that was fine. But like one time I did my makeup, and I was at school and I did my makeup, and literally like nobody liked me. Like I had bullies and everything. And this one girl, she was like, "Are you wearing makeup?" I was like, "Yeah." She gave me like a dirty look and she was like, "Okay, never wearing makeup again." And then after that, I kind of just watched makeup videos like on YouTube with a little music. And hopefully this turns out good, because if it doesn't, I'm going to be very upset at myself. I was watching makeup videos a lot so I could learn how to actually do it. Like I didn't even have makeup product at the time. I was just watching videos religiously, like my life depended on it. I found it very satisfying, you know, watching it start and then the finishing product of the makeup too. Like, you know, I wasn't like, I'm not really into like the whole eye look, mainly because I still don't know how to do that, and I still don't know how to do eyeliner because my hands are really shaky because I have anxiety. Like I don't have a steady hand, so of course my eyeliner isn't going to be the best half of the time, and it wasn't yesterday, but somehow I made it work. Even now, I don't really master it sometimes, you know. Sometimes I do makeup and I absolutely hate how it comes out, and then I just look stupid the whole day. I feel like I look stupid the whole day, and then, yeah, my whole day is just ruined. So, like, I've been having a battle with my makeup right now. I mean, like, recently, because, like, I'm trying to figure out like what my aesthetic is, what I look best in, and stuff like that. That's not really something I should be worried about because it really doesn't matter. People don't care. I'm an overthinker, so I think everybody cares. When in reality, they really truly don't. It's like I need like validation from people when they tell me that I look pretty. And I'm just like, if they don't tell me that I look pretty that one day or whatever, like I don't get any compliments that one day, I just feel really ugly for like the rest of the day. And that happened yesterday, and I didn't get any compliments yesterday, and I felt really ugly. Like, you know, I'm unfortunately like that, and I use makeup as a way to hide myself and hide how I truly feel and hide all of the damage that is inside of me. And I feel like I really use that as an escape, unfortunately, even if it's unintentional. I am now seeing a therapist, and I recently went into the therapist room and stuff like that, and I was talking with a girl, and you know, I literally just went in there and I had a full face of makeup on. I was looking all pretty and stuff. I was smiling and stuff, and she was like, "You look really happy. Like you look like you're doing great." But like when she found out like what I actually have and like what's actually wrong with me, she said that I have a lot of trauma. I knew a person once, and we were talking on the phone, and I told him my entire life, and he was like, wow, I would have never guessed that you would want to do something like that. I am not that confident in myself at all. I feel like my eyebrows are too bushy and it looks like mountains half the time because I got my dad's eyebrows, unfortunately. I wish I was confident. I wish I did feel confident, but I just don't. And it's not like nobody tells me I look pretty and nobody tells me I look like a model, because I get those compliments almost every day. I feel like self-love is very important though, guys. I'm not trying to say it's okay to feel this way, because it's not okay to feel that way. People need to learn how to love themselves, and that's the issue with this economy nowadays, and that's the problem with this world. Everybody is all focused on how you look, how you dress, and not even really how you act, really. But when that gets put into the equation, when people finally see how people act, they're either gonna hate you or they're gonna love you. But people only look at one thing nowadays, and that's how you look. There could be a freaking serial killer on Tinder. On Tinder? On Tinder. And you're like, oh my god, he's so cute. He's so, I want him. He's my man. And then you get freaking snuffed because you didn't know he was a serial killer just because he looked fine. I don't know. Nobody is fair nowadays either. Everybody is just on the planet doing their own thing and everybody else's business but theirs. I'm a senior in high school, and the high school that I'm attending to right now is crazy. I especially feel like when people go into high school, they come to high school with drama, and that's why there's so many fights. Y'all don't be seeing seniors fighting. Okay, y'all don't, because we ain't worried, most of us, these people that got something to say about us. We really don't. At this point, we finna get into college and do whatever we finna do, or not go to college and just get our lives up and get our lives together. Me personally, I'm not worried about any drama. I'm not worried about anybody talking about me. I'm not worried about anything. I truly just don't care. You're not worth my energy, and I'm not about to miss my graduation because of you. What? Talk about me all you want to. I really don't care. I just don't got the energy to be fighting with kids. And if you're a senior and you in all that drama, you need to grow up. Unless you got anger issues, there is no reason for you to be fighting people in your last year of high school, because then you're just not going to graduate, and then you're just going to be 10 times harder to get a job. What can I say? And if you already got a job, congratulations, but you can't move up forward, and then you can't get a career. Get a career. That's what you need. You don't need a job, you need a career. A career. Because a job ain't gonna do nothing for you, baby. Let me tell you, it ain't. It ain't, it's not, it won't. I got these powder puffs on Shein, y'all, and I'm gonna also link these down below. This is the Fit Me powder in the shade 30, and it's so crazy because Fit Me needs to get canceled for this, because I literally got the same shade, both 30s, and one of them is darker than the other one. These are both shade 30. I will show you. Both shade 30. You can already see that these are different shades by the way the colors are on the packaging. You can see the difference. Look at the powders. That's all I have to say. So I also want to talk about how I'm making music right now. Guys, okay, I'm making music, but is it really going anywhere right now? No, because I still haven't recorded any of the songs. I made 5 songs or 4, and I haven't recorded a single one. And listen, it's because I ain't got a reason. Wow. I'm just procrastinating. That's all. I'm just a big procrastinator. And I need to quit it, but I can't quit it because it's like a drug. Also, the brow stuff that I used is, can you see it? This I'm using is from Shein. You can also get this. I will probably also link that below. Got the freaking telescopic mascara. Okay, we're gonna do our nose contour. I didn't take off the powder. Now we're gonna go ahead and go in with Bam. Oh no. Okay, I'm gonna get some mousse and I'm gonna get a scarf and I'm gonna put this down and then I'm gonna eat. And then after I eat, I'm gonna take it off. Then after I take it off, I'm gonna put the thing in and then I'm gonna style it. That's how it's gonna go. Okay, I got an idea. Put this on this side, and put this on this side, and boom. This is wider than anything else that I have on. And then like the hair in the back. Okay. Look at the camera. Look at my baby. He's so cute, Mosh. I love you. And then you're gonna bite me. Okay. I think that's the end for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is, yeah, I literally just made this because I said I was gonna post on Sunday. I literally haven't recorded anything, so I'm just like, okay, let's record this. Don't forget to follow like my Instagram and my TikTok if you're not from TikTok already, and don't forget to share this video with people that you think would like this or like makeup and my personality. I really appreciate you coming in and watching my second video ever. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.